Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang, talking about that generation here from year 2015 to year 2023. If you have one of those, you need to find where the cooling fan relay is located. Which relay you need to check, guys. It could be up to 3 different relays, where they're located, where you can buy cheap relays and fuses. That way don't waste your money, guys, and why it's important to test relays and fuses. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stand till the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything, guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So the cooling fan relays, where they're located, let's explain now. We'll demonstrate on that 2018 Ford Mustang GT, but even if you have a different engine model, guys, it should work as well. That's the main fuse box here. In order to open that fuse box, you have that notch right here that you need to press, pull up. On the back side you have the fuse numbers and relays printed here. That's the layout to what we have here. That's really convenient. Bad news, you don't know what they're for, so that's why we're making that video, to save you time and money. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here now, guys, we need to check 3 relays for the cooling fans. The first relay will be relay 77. We're coming in that fuse relay box here, and we're talking about that relay right there, relay 77. Then we need to, guys, find relay 89 right here. We're talking about that relay. And next we need to find relay number 91 over here. So these 3 relays will need to be checked for the cooling fan. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.